to unknown. I am here to speak on the topic, is the presence of life on other planets also? It has been the centuries now since the humankind looked at the sky and wondered, is the presence of life apart from our own? Ever since this question has been asked, this question has been a mystery. Many scientists and astronomers came up with many theories and will remain the theories before someone actually find out the evidence what lies out there. Many scientists and astronomers are trying out to find the evidence about the living things and the creatures out in the universe. For example, NASA has discovered that there might be presence of life in fourth planet from the Sun, that is Mars. And some living things are also found from the part of the Mars. And Mars has been the center of the attention in the world of science. As you all know, that our universe is huge in area, consisting of estimately 100 billion galaxies, and many of them are yet not explored. So, it might be possible that there is the presence of life in the universe. But no such evidence or proof has been found that can specify the above statement. It is still a mysterious question and which can overcome when someone actually finds out the evidence and explores out the whole universe. Some scientists like Stephen Hawking has played an important role in discovering the whole universe and also gave out the black hole theory. Thank you everyone and have an exploring day ahead.